In the heart of California, where the sun never stops shining, a revolution in food processing has taken root. Welcome to Tropic Mango USA, California's most advanced mango processing facility. Every morning, hundreds of skilled workers arrive, ready to bring nature's finest fruit to your table. Here in California, we believe in precision, cleanliness, and passion, and committee in every single bottle. Fresh mangoes are sourced daily, tulis, arriving at our California facility within hours of harvest. Only grade A mangoes make it through our doors. Every single one is inspected before entering the line. Our quality team checks for ripeness, color, and texture because perfection starts before the machine even touches the fruit. Anything less than perfect doesn't make the cut. That's the Tropic Mango USA standard. Every mango passes through our multi-stage industrial washing system, removing impurities at a microscopic level. Our California team monitors every stage, manually and digitally, ensuring nothing slips through. Our state-of-the-art peeling machines process over 10,000 mangoes per hour, right here in California. The result: peopled, perfectly peeled, vibrant mango flesh, moving seamlessly to the next stage. Automated de-seeding technology ensures zero fruit loss. At pittance, every ounce of mango pulp is preserved. Even after automation, human eyes verify. Our California team leaves nothing to chance. Precision slicing breaks down the mango into perfect portions, ready for the extraction process. Watch it flow plumy, pure mango juice, with nothing artificial added, no shortcuts, no compromises. Tropic Mango USA's extraction facility is one of the largest in North America, and it's right here, Clements, in California. Advanced filtration removes any remaining fiber or impurity, delivering crystal clear, smooth mango juice. Every extraction parameter is monitored in real time. Temperature, pressure, flow rate, MOPI flow rate from our central control hub. Pasteurization at precisely controlled temperatures, locking in nutrients while ensuring absolute safety. In California's Tropic Mango facility, temperature control isn't just a setting, it's a commitment.
Immediately after pasteurization, rapid cooling preserves the fresh squeezed flavor you can taste in every sip.
Only natural cane sugar and real mango concentrate are added, in exact proportions, calculated to perfection. These 50,000-gallon mixing tanks blend every batch to a consistent taste, the Tropic Mango taste, every time.
Our on-site California laboratory runs over 200 quality checks per shift, rutted, because science backs every bottle.
pH balance, Brix level, viscosity, every metric checked and certified before a single bottle is filled. Our California facility doesn't just make juice mangoes, we make the bottles too. Full vertical integration. Over 2 million bottles are produced weekly, decontoins, each one made to Tropic Mango's sterile specifications. Before a single drop enters compruting, every bottle is sterilized, completely, automatically, absolutely. Over 2 million bottles are produced weekly, decontoins, each one made to Tropic Mango's sterile specifications. Before a single drop enters compruting, every bottle is sterilized, completely, automatically, absolutely. 40 bottles filled per second. That's the speed of Tropic Mango USA's filling line Tulinkob in full operation. Each fill is precise to within 1 milliliter. Accuracy at scale, the California way. Airtight, sealed, safe. Our automated capping system applies 14 pounds of torque punt every single cap, every single time. Post-fill inversion sterilizes the cap from inside. A small step embrace with a massive impact on shelf safety. The label goes on, and Tropic Mango USA comes to life. Designed in California, recognized across America. AI-powered vision cameras inspect every label at 120 frames per second. Perfect presentation, guaranteed. Full traceability. Every bottle carries a batch code that traces back to the exact mango shipment. California transparency. 12 bottles per case. 200 cases per minute. Tropic Mango USA ships at California speed. Our robotic palletizers work 24 hours, stacking, organizing, and preparing product for distribution across the nation. Every pallet is wrapped, scanned, and logged punly, ready to leave our California facility, destined for stores coast to coast. Our California distribution warehouse holds over 5 million bottles in temperature-controlled storage at any given time. Every pallet is digitally tracked, from filling line to truck dock. Zero inventory error. Zero guessing. From our California facility, Tropic Mango juice reaches over 40 US states within 48 hours of production. And so the journey continues, from our hands in California to yours, wherever you are. The people behind every bottle are proud Californians, dedicated to quality in everything they do. Tropic Mango USA runs on 80% renewable energy, because our responsibility doesn't end with the juice. Every liter of water used in our California plant is treated, recycled, and reuser. We give back what we take. Mango peels, seeds, pulp waste. Nothing is thrown away. Everything is composted or converted into energy. Innovation never stops at Tropic Mango USA. Our California R&D team is already developing tomorrow's flavors, today.
From classic mango to mango passion blend, Tropic Mango USA offers a flavor for every moment. At home, at work, on the go. Tropic Mango USA fits your California lifestyle, naturally. From our factory floor in California, straight to your family's table. That's our promise. Every morning.
Available at major retailers across the United States, Tropic Mango USA is never more than a shelf away.
Every bottle represents hours of dedication, hundreds of hands, and one California standard tried: excellence. This is Tropic Mango USA, running 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. California never sleeps, neither do we. Day shift, night shift. The dedication of our California team keeps Tropic Mango USA moving around the clock. FDA certified, USDA approved, ISO 22000 compliant. Tropic Mango USA holds every standard that matters. From a single California facility, we touch millions of lives every single day. And we're just getting started.
Tropic Mango USA. Pure mango. Pure California. Pure you.